exploring partnerships at NAATE for the last 6 or 7 years. Deep discussions with universities, colleges, and other commercial partners. But none of them really understood the differentiated offerings that NAATE had in the K-12 space. That was not the case with Yetta Lewis and Gestalt. They deeply understood the significant difference in the work that we had done, the case method, the well-curated materials. That, in addition to Gestalt's regional footprint and national reputation, and Yetta's proven track record and determination in supporting the development of professionals, educators, all of these combined for us to say Gestalt is really perfect.
And I don't know if Tony remembers this. In 2013, we actually sent 3 veteran teachers and veteran, highly effective teachers into the NAATE residency model, 2013, 2014, and they came back changed. They came back from the residency program as leaders within their department. It was just game-changing and elevating their professional knowledge. And the benefit for us was not only growing them professionally, but also retaining them. We were able to retain those teacher leaders. Some went on to become school leaders, but they stayed with our network and they just grew with the network. And so part of our inspiration for NAATE was just the true impact of NAATE. And now, over the past 2 years, we've been using the NAATE field modules with our deans and our principals, and really looking at issues around efficacy, interpersonal communication, and we're seeing now the impact of those modules on decision-making and judgment. And so it has been just a great resource for professional development.
I remember the names of those 3 teachers that came to that early cohort of NAATE. And you remind me of a story I was thinking about. This question, the founding question of NAATE, experienced high-performing teachers versus this push for recruitment. And I remember sitting with Derwin Cisnet, one of the co-founders of Gestalt, back in probably 2012. And the question on the table was, what's more important, retention or recruitment? And as I remember Derwin's answer, he said, I believe it's retention. Because with retention, you reduce the need for recruitment. And you also have built into your system the mentors that your new recruits need. So retention was more important, and that has been the work of NAATE, and now the work of NAATE by Gestalt.
Absolutely.